We're now going to do Ho'Opono-Pono. Again, it's an excellent practice. It's based on a traditional native Hawaiian mantra chant ritual. There's a lot of discussion on the internet about it, and there's many practitioners of EFT also combine EFT with the Ho'Opono-Pono ritual, okay? It's an excellent exercise, especially if you're in a troubled or difficult relationship or business relationship or environment. The Ho'Opono-Pono translated into English apparently means something like making right that which is wrong, okay? So I think it's probably appropriate. And again, it's like using psychic sage. It's like burning sage psychically, okay? It's great healing. It's great for remote healing. And again, it's great for healing problem relationships, whether they're love relationships or business relationships. So it should be part of your EFT and Law of Attraction toolkit, okay? So let's just start tapping the top of the head. And of course, we're going to do this in English, not Hawaiian. Let's just start tapping at the top of the head, okay? And just repeat after me, Simon says, I'm sorry. Okay, eyebrow. Please forgive me. Okay, side of the eye. I forgive you. Okay, under the eye. I forgive myself. Under the nose. Thank you. Under the mouth. I love you. Okay, now collarbone. I'm sorry. Under the arm. Say, please forgive me. Okay, now karate chop. Say, I forgive you. Top of the head. I forgive myself. Okay, eyebrow. Say, thank you. And now to the outside corner of the eye. I love you. Okay, very good. Now let's go into the eye on the cheekbone. I'm sorry. Under the nose, please forgive me. Under the mouth, I forgive you. Okay, collarbone, I forgive myself. Under the arm, thank you. And a karate chop, say, I love you. Very good, excellent. Now take a deep breath. And I'll release. Okay, excellent. And again, with the Ho'Opono-Pono, it's great, again, to do as before you go into a work situation or a toxic situation, okay, in the morning. And then, of course, do it at lunchtime, the lunchtime break, and that'll carry you through for the rest of the afternoon. It's also good for difficult love relationships, difficult business relationships. It's also been traditionally used for remote healing. And again, for remote healing, you just take the photograph of a person who you wish to send remote healing energy to them, place it in front of you, do the tapping, or have their picture in your mind's eye while you're tapping, okay?